The Alpcour portable toilet is your go-to sanitation solution. Designed with portability and functionality in mind, this compact toilet offers a piston pump flush, a spacious waste tank, a built-in pour spout, and a washing sprayer for easy cleaning. In this article, we'll explore the features and benefits of the Alpcour portable toilet and how it enhances your outdoor adventures. Piston pump flush for hygienic experience. Maintaining hygiene in outdoor settings can be a challenge, but the Alpcour portable toilet makes it easier. Featuring a piston pump flush mechanism, this toilet ensures a clean and sanitary experience with every use. The pump lever allows you to flush the waste into the tank, effectively minimizing odors and keeping the toilet fresh. With its simple and efficient operation, you can maintain a high level of cleanliness and comfort, no matter where you are. Spacious waste tank and easy disposal. The Alpcour portable toilet is equipped with a generous 5.3-gallon waste tank, providing ample capacity for multiple uses. The tank is thoughtfully designed with a secure latch to prevent leaks and odors. When it's time to empty the tank, the built-in pour spout makes the process hassle-free. Simply detach the waste tank, carry it to the designated disposal area, and pour out the contents safely and easily. This convenient feature ensures a clean and efficient waste disposal experience. Washing sprayer for effortless cleaning. Cleaning the portable toilet is a breeze with the Alpcour portable toilet's integrated washing sprayer. The sprayer allows you to rinse the toilet bowl and other surfaces, ensuring optimal cleanliness and hygiene. The compact sprayer is easily operated with a simple squeeze, providing a powerful stream of water for effective cleaning. With this feature, you can maintain a sanitary environment and enjoy peace of mind during your outdoor excursions. Compact and portable design. The Alpcour portable toilet is specifically designed for easy transportation and storage. Its compact size and lightweight construction makes it convenient to carry in the included travel bag, allowing you to take it wherever your adventures lead. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or traveling in your RV, this portable toilet ensures that you have a clean and comfortable restroom solution at your disposal. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.